Go.
Hello everyone, it's Christmas today. All of us will open our presents.
What's
Yes.
your name?
My name is Zachary.
Let's start with the first gift.
Yes.
You choose your gift. This one? You want this one? Okay. Yay!
Wait, not that one. This one.
Oh, oh who gave this? Who gave this?
Who gave this? No, I don't
You remember who gave that? Who gave you that?
No.
know.
Okay. You open it.
Hindi naman din nila kasi sinulat.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Parang ako yung matutuwa.
Second ladder.
Oh!
Show it to them. No, just show it to them.
Patite, give it to
Yeah,
them.
this is
Ready na kami, oh.
a snake
Ay,
and
gusto ko yung laro
ladder.
Now the next one will be the squishy one.
Squishy one. Oh, you get it. The squishy one.
Where's the? Oh, you said this
This
one.
one,
This
No,
one.
that's
Yeah,
not
the
the
squishy.
squishy one.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
who
one.
gave that?
I
Oh, open it here.
I don't know who gave it.
Oh, who gave it?
Oh, alam, tama squishing. Ah! So
Oh,
cute.
show it to them.
Ay, so cute.
Show it to the video, baby.
Hi everyone. I got a panda bear, which
Panda
is
bear.
very cute.
Ah!
Ta-da!
Next,
Next.
one
Oh, this one.
is that.
Oh, show it to the camera.
Everyone, this is a blue box. Let's see what is inside it.
Ganyan yan dito. Si Mary ang tagapanood lang namin dati.
Huh?
Ako may audience kami.
Wow.
Oh, it's a.
Oh,
Oh,
number
you
block.
block. What's
Oh,
that? Look at it.
Galaxy
It's
blocks.
Wow.
I like blocks.
What is that? Can you describe what it is?
Planet blocks. Ah, Tita Mimi. Lola
Oh, look at
Mimi.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lola Mimi.
Everyone, we got planet blocks.
All right, show it to them. This one. Thank you. Who gave it to you?
Lola Mimi.
All right. Next, this one.
I think we'll go on the big one.
Okay.
Not that one, this one.
All right. Oh, I will give it to you.
Kay Kuya, yeah.
Just show me the
Let's
color.
see.
Boy.
Open, open, open.
Let's see what's inside here.
Oh, nice.
Oh wow,
Ang
what's
ganda
that?
naman, Doktor. Nice. Oh.
I like doctors.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, show it to them. Show it to them. Oh, show it to the camera. Yay! What's that?
A doctor.
Who gave it to you?
Clear pupil.
What will you say?
Thank you.
All right.
Now it's the next one, which is the one that has the cars.
Which one?
Which one? I don't
That
know.
one over there.
How would you know? Cars? Ah, yeah, the cars. Mm.
Oh, what is your reaction
Alam
to
niya
that?
yung mga
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Memorize yung kalit.
Wow.
Ah, it's a card as well. Okay.
What is it? Lego.
Oh.
It's a Lego. Oh,
Lego
nice.
car. Ano ka nagbigay din?
Puro mga Lego. Gusto niya ng ganito. Mga build.
Wow, it's a Lego.
Oh. Describe it what it is.
Everyone, it's a Lego.
Okay.
It's a Lego car.
Ito talaga para sa atin to.
Alright. This one is.
Gusto ko to.
Tara na.
No, that's that one.
This one?
No, that
Oh,
one.
this one. Wow. Open it. Open it.
Let's see what's in
Who
here.
gave it to you?
Who gave it to you?
From?
Zachary.
From?
From
Mama and Daddy.
Mom and Daddy. Let's see what is in Mommy's chest. Wow.
Wow.
It's a gun. It's a mini gun.
Ayan, gusto kasi.
And that's so amazing.
Amazing.
Wow.
Everyone, I got a mini gun.
Show it to them.
I got a mini gun, everyone.
Okay.
Next one is this one. This one now. Daddy, now it's this one.
Alright, open it.
Let's see
Mash
I
it up.
don't know who gave it.
Wait, look.
Merry Christmas. Yeah. I don't know why they
Peter
didn't.
Rami.
No! Merry Remy.
I don't understand the name.
Oh,
Who's that plane?
Wow.
oh
Oh, gusto
wow.
nga ng plane. Oh, wow. Who gave this one? Look, parang meron no.
I think it was Tita Al.
Ah, baka nga. Oo.
Oh wow.
Hindi ko nga. Ganun natin yung pakinggan. Wow.
Now the
No,
next,
wait, show it then. What's that?
everyone, I got a jet plane.
Okay, show it to the
I
camera.
got a jet plane, everyone.
Okay,
Ay, ito
show
yung
it to
gusto niya
me.
ipabili sa atin sa Amazon nun eh.
Oh, this one.
Ito bigay.
Now,
Oh yeah, what's that?
we finish
That's
this.
from Mama and Daddy. Oh, you open it already pala eh.
What's that?
From Mama.
I didn't open it.
Oh, nawarak lang.
I think it ripped open by itself.
Oh yeah, that's true.
It's a guitar. Electric guitar.
Yeah. Like yours, Tita Noel.
Yeah. Oh, show it to them. What's that?
Everyone, it's an electric guitar.
Guitar.
Everyone, it's a cool guitar.
Guitar.
Cool guitar.
Now the next one is gonna be this one. I'm
Okay.
the one strict said to be what's inside here.
Ako din na-excite ako eh. Kasi wala kami ganun.
Wala kami rin ng bata.
Spider-Man! It's
Oh.
Spider-Man!
Ah, ladders din. Parang second ladder. Ah, kami naglalaro.
Everyone, I got snakes and ladders. Everyone,
Oh, nice.
I got snakes and ladders.
Alright.
Very good. That's very good.
What will you say?
Thank you, everyone.
Oh yeah.
Open it.
Yung Pastora Bicay. Oh, nice.
Nice.
It's a book.
It's a book. So what's that? What's
I
that?
didn't think about that.
Oh yeah.
Everyone, I got a book.
Okay.
You like it?
Yes,
Let me see.
everyone, I got a book.
Oh. The
Every-
stories of family and friendship.
Everyone, I got a book.
Mhm.
Daddy, the next one is this one. I wonder what would be inside here. Another book or something? Wait, it's not a book. It
Ah,
is.
baka hindi sa kanyan pa ang
Yeah.
atin yan.
Yeah, that's my.
Ah, that's para, ano yan? That's sa atin ata. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Para kay mama and daddy pala yan.
What is this?
Bitch.
Everyone,
No, I'm trying to find out.
Mm.
Pillowcase na. Nice. I love
Everyone,
it.
Nice.
I got a pillow. I got something.
Yeah, pillowcase for your, ano.
For your
Everyone, I
bed.
got a pillowcase. Everyone, I got a pillowcase.
Alright.
Now, the next one are
One
both
more.
of these.
Okay,
Yeah.
please.
Okay, this from Tita Remy.
Okay, first,
This Ninang.
if this is a mailbox, I wonder what it says.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Gusto niya nung may, ano.
We can read it.
Ah,
Gusto niya nang may read.
it.
Well,
May message sa
well
kanya.
Mom is reading.
Kasi ito din gusto niya nung binasa ko.
Wow!
Oh,
It's a
banang biyak.
dinosaur.
Oh.
It's a dinosaur book.
And
Everyone, I got a dinosaur book.
Ganyan din.
Everyone, I got a
Ang haba ng
dinosaur
mama.
book. Now let's see what's in here. Wow.
Oh.
Oh, read it, the letter.
Wait, is there a letter?
Yeah,
Over
this
there, Uninang.
one. Oh. Ah!
Masaya ang mga magulang.
Read it, read it, read it!
No,
Oh, mahilig ka sa painting. Yes, look at this. What's this, Zach?
What is it?
Ah,
What's this?
nice.
It's a painting.
Ay, oo, maganda.
And
Oh,
now, let's see what's in
Si Daddy
this
daw ang
big
natutuwa
one.
dyan.
ano to?
Ayaw.
Wait lang, anak.
Wait, one at a time. They're not done yet. We're gonna read the letter.
Oh, oh.
Oh.
Hold on, put this on.
Oh, ang ganda nito. Oh, ano ito?
I got
Ano
it.
what
Thank
is this?
you.
I'll walk it.
Ah, something inside.
Ah, kaleidoscope.
Oh, nice.
Oh. See it inside. See it inside. No, see it inside.
See inside, like this. One eye.
Like the treasure.
Oh, nice.
What is there a galaxy?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Close your other eye. Only, yeah. Close that and then put it on the eye. That's all. Naku, okay, how would you see it?
I see a lot of things. I see a lot of
Ah,
things
okay,
in
okay.
there.
Oh, read the letter.
I read the letter. God's son.
Ay, ang ganda nga kaleidoscope.
In so many ways for
Sabi niya,
some.
like, hindi niya.
Dear Zachary, I thank God for your life. You always give smile to all the people that surrounds you. May God bless you always. We love you forever. You will always be our number one baby. Ka, ba't mo sinabi yun? Love you and always and forever love lots. Ninang man.
Aww.
God bless you with His special favor and wonderful peace.
Thank you,
And-
Marianne.
And what?
And
And
the next
This it's only a letter, okay? Nothing inside.
one. Now it's this one.
Bili na. No, this one, this one.
Oh.
No, that's the final one. Oh, that. Tita Danica gave it to you.
Ate
Oh,
Casey,
yung
this
cute
one
na
Ate
Ate
Casey.
Casey.
This is Ate Casey.
And then Tita Margie.
Dinosaur.
This one.
Yung Tita Margie. Lola Margie. This
Show
one.
it. This one is from Lola Margie. Show it to them.
That's
Show it to them.
acceptable.
So that
Everyone.
our family will see.
Everyone. And this is from Lola Margie.
Yeah, and then you will gonna practice with this one,
What's
okay?
this?
It's a soccer ball, everyone.
Oh,
Okay.
and, oh, you have this, oh.
Wow.
And then stickers.
Ang ganda, oh.
This from Tita Danica.
Yeah.
Hindi na talaga yung daddy niya.
Kaleidoscope.
Daddy, Daddy.
Oh, ito
Now
pa.
it's
Ah,
What will
keychain
you say
pala
to
to.
Ate Casey?
Keychain pala. Ilagay mo sa bag mo.
This one, glow in the dark.
What's a toy?
Okay.
And it can also remove.
No, don't remove
Don't
it. Oh, wala na. Na-remove.
It does remove, but it replaces back too.
Okay.
Okay, mautak ka. Mautak.
And now it's this one,
Yay!
the biggest one of all. But
That's from Tita Charmaine.
everyone, I need help.
That's this
No,
from,
how about this one?
ano niya
That
na.
will be the last one.
This from Tita Charmaine and Tita Tin.
Wait, what is in here? I wonder. Let's see. It's a big thing.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Oh, wall sticker.
Zachary's shrimp.
Oh, mga planet.
Oh, Zachary, look, oh, what is that?
What's that?
Wow.
Oh, what's this?
Si solar system board.
Sun.
And all everything you want. Dinosaur and solar system. Wow.
This one is... What's that?
Ito yung gusto niya.
Oh. Let's show it to them. Show it to them what we got.
Everyone, I got a plant sticker.
Okay, show it to them.
But where you
Everyone,
gonna
I got
put?
a plant stickers.
Where we will gonna put that?
Oh, next is...
This is
Oh, the dinosaur.
everyone. I got dinosaurs. A
Wow!
dinosaur truck. Everyone, I got a dinosaur truck. Now it's the last one of all that I always wanted to open.
Are you happy?
And it's the one from my teacher.
Oh.
Miss Dog.
What's that?
I don't know. Daddy.
Then,
Here's the box.
Ano yan?
Baseball.
baseball. Oh, do not hit anyone, ah.
This one, pang-pick naman nung
Wait, there's
pang-baseball.
six. There's one more
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I never opened.
Which one?
Zach, that's not yours.
Ayaw mo na.
Oh, sige. Oh, bring it there. Bring it here.
Oh, this one.
It is mine.
No.
The let's see what.
Hindi ko
Buntingin mo na lang.
ang sa...
Oh.
Ang ganda ng ring.
Kaya, pwede
Parang
magamit.
ribbon kasi yan.
Pwede magamit.
Wow.
Oh, wow! What's that?
Oh, wow!
Oh.
Buti naman. Kasi
Yes.
palagi tayo namimigay ng Bible. Wala tayong Bible.
Thank you, Ate Remy.
Ah.
Kaya sabi rin, ganyan din ako.
I think I want to open.
I like this.
Okay, go ahead.
And
Wala na ako.
can you help
Yung Bible
me?
natin, nabigay natin.
Can you help
Binalik
me,
na.
mommy?
Binalit nga ng Lord yung Bible na.
Don't open it now. This is the last gift.
Hmm? Just only one.
This from Tita Michelle.
Oh yes.
I think you really need this right now.
Uh-huh.
Whatever is inside this.
I don't
Ah.
need it right now.
No, you very, very badly needing this right now.
What? Why?
Because you're... But we will know why. Ayun na, ang ganda ng pagkatali naman, no?
Di ba? Ang daming tali niya.
I'm
Ano?
dying.
Ano ba to?
I'm dying to know what is in here.
And then, Mama, so many glitters.
What is in here?
Let me open
Open
it.
it.
Open it,
Sit down.
open it.
Ah, meron pa.
Alam, may tape pa.
Oh, see?
Oh!
Wow. Oh, nice!
Ah! Dinosaur socks!
How cute.
Show it to them, show it to them.
What are you planning to do with this one?
Everyone, I got some dinosaur socks.
Oh, wear it now, wear it now.
at school?
Oh, wear. Sino ba ito?
Hindi, pwede niya itong i-wear pag meron silang something sa school.
Oo, yung mga...
Ano-ano.
Ay, ang galing. Oh, you wear it na.
Ah, cute!
Oh.
Ilaruan sana sabi ko, hindi. Ito pa na lang.
Marami naman.
Dami na siya laro. Okay po yan kasi. Yung mga-
Pinagandaan na pang cute.
Pang costume niya.
Pang costume.
May mga costume sila.
Sa ano, sa dinosaurs. eh.
Cute! Oh,
Cute.
like it?
Yeah.
Oh, come here in front and show it to them.
Everyone, I got my new socks here. Look at them. They're dinosaur
No,
socks.
they can see it.
Ah, may
Trump.
itaas mo yung
Oh,
niya.
wait, wait,
May
wait.
ano siya,
The
may
spiky.
spike.
There's a spikes.
Kaya may spike.
Yeah, there's
siya.
Do it lang.
Very spiky.
Dapat pala alam natin kahapon, no?
Naka-short siya.
Yan na lang sana kahapon
Now we can
doon.
open this.
Naka-short.
Now we can open the
Tapos
doctor.
yung anong ganda sana.
Let's open the doctors now.
Sabi ko, ang ganda naman din.
Buksan natin,
Isa
iba?
lang yun eh.
Ha? Hindi na muna. Yan na lang muna.
Kasyang-kasya siya. oh.
Dapat yan na lang sinut niya kagabi.
Oh, what will you say now? You
Ang
say
ganda,
bye-bye to the
ah.
video
Ang
now, no?
ganda.
Let's-
Bye-bye,
Go in front.
What will you tell them? Come on,
Go-
go,
go
in
in
the front.
front.
Go in the front.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Say
Merry
bye to my
Christmas.
socks.
Would you say Merry Christmas?
Merry
Be careful with your
Christmas.
hands. Be careful with your
Oh,
hands.
say bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.